For number 6, we're going to write number sentences for the number line models below. So let's look at the first one, A. We're starting at 0, the origin. We always start at 0. And this arrow is going to the left, so we know our first integer is a negative integer. And we just look on our number line, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 is where that arrow ends. So our first integer is -6. And then our next integer picks up where that one leaves off. We're adding another negative integer since we're going further left. And we're adding, let's see how many spaces we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So we're adding -5. This first arrow represents -6, and this arrow represents the integer -5 because it goes 5 spaces to the left. And where we're ending up is where we were at -6. This is -7, -8, -9, -10. We end at -11, which is what we would expect because if we add, we have the same signs. We find the sum, 6 plus 5 is 11, and we keep the sign, -11. So there's the answer. On B, we're going to look first at the arrow that extends from the origin, from 0, and that's this arrow. It's going left, so we know it's representing a negative integer. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the left, so that arrow represents the integer -5. And now we see an arrow going right from where we left off, so we know we're adding a positive integer. We have to see how many spaces it goes. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces to the right. So this arrow represents +9. Now in the test, please double check your counting. Count several times, make sure you get the same answer. And we end up at, this is +1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum is +4. And since the signs are different, we would find the difference, 9 minus 5 is 4. We keep the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value, the one that's farthest from 0, which is +9. So everything checks out here with the model and with our integer addition rules. Okay, every once in a while I'll put a golden ticket in the middle of the review or somewhere in the review to reward the people who watch the review. So here's the golden ticket, if I can get to it. Okay, here's what you're going to do to win this golden ticket. I want you to go to the online textbook. So go to my website, and then there's a tab that says Online Textbook. And you click on that, it'll show you how to access the online textbook. There's a username and password that all my students can use. If you're unsure how to do it or it doesn't make sense, there's also a video on the page where you can access the online textbook. One of my videos, you can click on it, it'll show you how to do it. Go to the online textbook, Chapter 2, Section 3, that's 2-3, and then look at the lesson tutorial videos. There's a section to the right of the page that says lesson tutorial videos. There's typically 4 videos there with examples from they're actually kind of like my homework help videos. And I want to win this golden ticket, watch example 2. Watch that video. It has to do with integer subtraction. And the guy on the video is going to do 3 integer subtraction problems. If you do those problems along with him, write down the problem and solve it, and bring me that sheet tomorrow. The first person to bring me that sheet will win a golden ticket. Anyone else who gets it done and doesn't hand it in first, that's still good. I'll get you 10 of the regular tickets for the next drawing. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem 7 on the next video.